So
that's
Elsa,
cool.
there's going to be a bunch of stuff on the front desk up here.
Yes.
What's that stuff? When should students grab that stuff?
Yeah, so here we have a bunch of stuff. A lot
Oh, sorry.
of it's been collected already. So here it is gonna be all the materials, except for the stuff that's in your drawer that you're gonna be needing for the specific day.
So if I come early to lab, can I use all this stuff?
No, you don't wanna use all this
What?
stuff. I know, because I need to show you how to use it first.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, so
Okay.
leave it
How?
here until later.
When are you going to show me how to use that stuff? What are you going to use the board? Is this what's on the board here? You're going to lecture for that hour and a half in class, or?
Oh, you want me to? I won't.
I love hearing your voice. You can do that.
No, so what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to read your labs ahead of time and come prepared to class.
And then you'll.
Then I will post things up on the board here.
Okay.
And on the left side here, I usually put what we're gonna be doing for that day, although you do have to check the syllabus for that.
Okay. I do
And
the same
then-
thing. Yeah.
And then after that, we have some instructions. Here I
Okay.
wrote more than usual because it's a
Yeah. I
first
usually
day.
just because it's in the lab. It's in the lab.
manual.
So you're going to have.
Exactly.
So are you going to be really good and print me out the forms every time?
So sorry, I cannot. You're going to have to print out your own forms. You can also get a set of copies from the bookstore, but everything's available online. And if you need help or have questions or have issues printing, let me know or Dr. Cat know.
Okay. Great.